never had a girl like you.
When we locked eyes, when you had, couldn't look away.
Hey, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are subscribed, welcome back. And if you're not, hopefully by the end of this video that will change and you'll decide to press that button down below. Today we are doing another cash stuffing video, but first I'm going to show you guys how I budgeted my paycheck for this pay period, and then we'll get to cash stuffing. So today we're going to be budgeting just one income, and that was, I'm going to again ignore the budgeted column because we're already about to stuff this money. We are focusing on $3,019. I did get a raise at work, but I just took that raise and more money and just put more towards my retirement fund, so I didn't have to see the raise. So that's what we're going to be working with today. For expenses, I have gas and electric, and let me just take this out as well. So for expenses, I have gas and electric, and I put $80 towards that. The next one is rent. I put $930 each paycheck. The next one is my loan, and that gets $422. So I did again spend some money on my credit card, on both of them actually, because it's the Christmas holiday and I anticipated spending a lot of money. I didn't anticipate saving a lot of money, so I have to pay that money back. On credit card number 1, I put $311. And on credit card number 2, I put $121. I did opt in for Disney because you can't have Christmas without Disney. So that's $9 a month. Netflix increased to $13 a month. I do also have Audible. On this paycheck for the second pay period of the month, I pay most of my subscriptions, so that's $16. And I did have to pay a fee for the trip I went on, and that was $41. So let's do the math here and see how much we have left. So this gives me $1,076 left. Next, I did $421 for sinking funds. Savings got $25. Nothing for investing. Nothing for extra debt payments. Nothing for savings funds or savings challenges. My daily cash envelopes got $530, and my buffer got $100. All right, and then that leaves me with a total of $0 left, which is how I like it because I prefer to budget down to the $0. So the next thing we're going to do is count this money, see how much we have, and then cash stuff it. Okay, so now we're going to count this money and see how much we have. So I have 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, so 660, 70, 80, 90, 700, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 800, 10, 810, 815, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 900, $901, and then I have 50, 25, so 75. So I have $976 that I am stuffing today. Okay, so per usual, I'm going to stuff my daily cash envelopes, but first I'm going to take out this grocery money, because this goes towards my bank deposit envelope, and there's money here that's back to bank that also goes towards my bank deposit envelope. So that grocery money was the $160 that was from the last pay period. I never got groceries the first week, and then I used the second week to get 2 weeks worth of groceries plus Thanksgiving food. So that's where all that money went. I spent that on my credit card. And also, happy post-Thanksgiving to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving dinners with your family, your friends, or whoever you were with. So for groceries, this is like my breakdown, and it tells me how much money I'm going to put towards each envelope and the breakdown for that. So for groceries, I'm going to have 4 20s, 1 2 3 4, 2 10s, and 4 5s, 1 2 3 4. So that gives me 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'm only doing 120 for this pay period. So 60 of that is going to go towards my small binder, and then another 60 is going to go towards my larger binder. The larger binder stays at home. This is for the current week, and then this will be switched out for the next week, since I get paid twice a week. Or I'm sorry, since I get paid twice a month, or bi-weekly. So miscellaneous is going to get 2 10s and 2 5s, and that's 10, 20, 25, and 30. And I'm just going to split this up for $15 for each week. Next is going to be gas. That gets $100 or $50 for each week. So I'm going to do 4 20s. 1 2 3 4, and 2 10s. And that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. And I'm going to split that up for $50. Also, if you're interested in any of these envelopes that you see, most of the, or majority of them that are the zip-ups are made by myself. And you can find them on my Etsy shop, and everything in my shop is 20% off for Black Friday / the holidays. So it's going to be going on for a while, so make sure you check that out. And you can find what you're looking for there at a great discount. But moving on to eat out and dining, that's going to get $100 for each week. So I'm going to do 8 20s. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 10s and 4 5s. 1 2 3 4. So that gives me 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 95, 200. And I'm just going to split this in half for $100 for each week. All right, and the last thing I have is self-care. I'm not sure when I'm going to get my nails done, but I think it needs to be sometime this week. But we'll see. I'm going to do 3 20s, a 10, and 2 5s. And that's going to be 20, 40, 60, 75, 80. And I'm just going to put this here in this big binder. Keep this at home until I decide exactly when I'm going to get my nails done. Just so I don't have to carry that money around if I don't have to. And that's it for these binders. All right, next we're going to do our sinking funds. This is the first sinking funds binder. I don't have mine split up into like high, medium, low priority. I just put them in where I saw fit or where they did fit. So it just depends, honestly, where they fit at and the aesthetics, I guess. But car is going to get $10 today. And as usual, I'm not going to count these because I'm going to do the sinking funds update after this video. Rich Auntie is going to get 35, so it's going to be a 20, a 10, and a 5. Licenses is not getting anything, neither is vacation. Household is also not getting anything, and gifts is going to get $10. So I'm just going to slide this back here. Debt is not getting anything, but car insurance is going to get $145. So I'm going to do 100, 2 20s, and a 5. And I do have to pay this by the end of December. So I should be at my goal by then. School is capped for now. Candle Day is getting $5. And shopping, of course, isn't getting anything because I've done a little bit too much shopping. That's it for this binder. We're not putting anything into holidays, so that binder is also going to be skipped. Uma, which is for my dog, she's going to get $36, so it's going to be a 20, a 10, a 5, and a 6. I'm sorry, and a $1 bill. 20, 35, 36. So I'm going to just slide this in here. Weddings is not getting anything. Taxes got a $50 deposit to my high yield savings account. So I'm just going to take a $50 bill and slide this in. That's a fake $50 bill. Renter's insurance will get $5 as usual. My Melissa envelope isn't getting anything, neither is bills. But P.O. Box will get $5. Savings got a deposit of $25. So I'm going to slide in these fake bills. That went to my high yield savings account. Nothing for emergency and nothing for C3. Right, that's it for this binder. Next, I have the third sinking funds binder. I always take them out. But car registration is not getting anything. Neither is Amazon Prime because I just paid that subscription or the annual fee. Family Fund is also not getting anything. Retirement doesn't get anything. Dang It is going to be skipped this week or this pay period. But Tech is going to get $10. Parents are going to get $100, and that'll be the 250s. And medical is going to get the last $10. And because we again, or because I again don't have rollover, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to watch the sinking funds video update that'll come right after this. But until next time, guys, bye.
Baby girl, what an angel he made. So bring your heaven right over. I be the one that you save. My number, put it in your phone and I